Hi, let's talk about the moments humans actually help the planet instead of breaking it. Yeah, that happens sometimes. Let's count them down. Number 1. The Sky Repair Mission. There was a time when humans were spraying so many chemicals into the atmosphere that we created a giant atmospheric bald spot. The ozone layer, our invisible sun shield, was thinning faster than your dad's hairline. Scientists panicked. The sun was practically rubbing its hands together like, oh, it's my time. But then something unbelievable happened. The world collectively said, let's stop destroying the sky. They banned the chemicals that were eating the ozone alive. And slowly, year after year, the ozone began stitching itself back together, like it was respawning health in a video game. This wasn't a tiny fix either. This was a whole atmospheric comeback arc. One of the only moments where humans didn't just stop doing damage, we reversed it. Number 2. Reforestation. We've cut down forests for centuries like they were infinite. Timber for houses, furniture, and occasionally to print things nobody reads. Forests were disappearing so fast that entire ecosystems were evaporating. But then we started planting trees like their lives depended on it, because they do. These weren't symbolic seedlings. These forests are cooling the air, restoring oxygen levels, rebuilding soil, and giving wildlife their homes back. It's humanity realizing, oh wait, trees are kinda important, and hitting the undo button as fast as possible. Number 3. The comeback of endangered species. Humans have a bad habit of pushing animals to extinction, but here's the twist. Sometimes we save them too. Pandas? Once the icons of cute but doomed. Now, protected, stabilized, and thriving. Sea turtles, constantly threatened by plastic, fishing nets, and clueless tourists, are returning to beaches in stronger numbers thanks to conservation efforts and plastic bag bans. Bald eagles, humpback whales, condors, the list of rescued species keeps growing. Number 4. The energy glow-up. There was a point when renewable energy felt like a quirky hobby. Solar panels were rare, wind turbines were the weird structures you saw on road trips, and electric cars looked like overly smooth soap bars. Not anymore. Now solar and wind are two of the fastest growing energy sources on Earth. Rooftops everywhere are covered in solar panels. Electric cars are finally stylish, fast, and everywhere. Some cities are ditching fossil fuel buses for electric fleets. It's humanity slowly unplugging the planet from the toxic relationship with fossil fuels. Number 5. The cleanup heroes. From people scooping trash out of rivers to machines vacuuming plastic from oceans, cleanup crews are out here doing side quests for the planet. Volunteers, non-profit random dudes with nets. They're out there making Earth less crunchy with garbage. And it works. Every bottle removed is a win. Number 6. The rise of recycling, reusing, and rethinking. Recycling used to be something people pretended to care about. Now, it's becoming a lifestyle. Metal straws, reusable bottles, thrift shopping, repairing instead of replacing. The eco-friendly mindset is becoming a trend. The entire vibe shifted. Well, humans aren't perfect. Far from it. But we're not hopeless. And the planet notices every good thing we do. Keep pushing, keep caring, and keep being part of the comeback story. If you had fun watching, go ahead and subscribe. Until next time, peace.